Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Quick recipe for hot and spicy chicken cashew nuts from the platform of Fatty Kitchen. Stir fry diced onion, capsicum, and cashew nuts in a pan. In the end, sprinkle green parts of the green onion on the top. For marination of chicken, add salt, black pepper, corn flour, and egg. After keeping the marinated chicken for 15 to 20 minutes in refrigerator, fry them on the medium flame until its color changes to golden. And for the preparation of the gravy mixture, pour some oil, then add garlic, soya sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, hot sauce, red chili flakes, green chilies, salt and sugar. Stir them well so all the spices get even. Then add fried chicken, stir fry vegetables and cashew nuts. For serving, prepare the sizzling dish. And yes, it's ready to sizzle. Now pour hot and spicy chicken cashew nut gravy in the sizzling dish and serve them with vegetable egg fried rice. Happy 16th Jan World International Hot and Spicy Food Day from the Fatty Kitchen.